This is question 9, and this question is on differential equations. At first glance, before doing any more work, we can already anticipate that we'll solve this equation using integrating factors because of this y that cannot be really isolated. Part A. Part A is a proof that even if you're stuck on the earlier question, please keep going. This question part is that simple. It is a Coulomb substitution. So if u is equal to x plus 1, du is equal to dx. We want to express this integral entirely in terms of u. X is therefore u minus 1, so x squared is u minus 1 squared. This guy becomes square root of u, du is equal to dx. And we're done. 2 marks. Part B. Now let's tackle the differential equation. Don't be intimidated by the size. It's usually bark but no bite. First off, divide both sides by 1 minus x squared. Is there any way we can simplify the right hand side? Yes, we can. This is crucial, especially when things get out of hand like this. That will cancel out. This is gone. This becomes 1 by 2. And we know that we are allowed to do that because x is between -1 and 1 exclusively. So the denominator cannot be equal to 0. Cool. Moving on. We'll solve this equation using integrating factor. So we have to find the integrating factor. So this is going to be equal to this. Finding this integral requires us to use partial fractions. You don't have to show all your work for this because this decomposition is relatively straightforward. It is plausible that some students already have it memorized. We will now integrate. Simplify the logarithms. And get to our answer. So we can pick our integrating factor to be. Now we'll multiply the entire equation by the integrating factor that we just found. So x squared square root of 1 plus x. The left hand side looks quite intimidating, but it is nothing more than this. Now we will integrate. And this is where the result from part A will come in handy. Expand and simplify. I would go a step further and actually factorize this. U is equal to x plus 1. You don't have to expand the entire thing. Now that we have found the right hand side, let's plug it back in. Simplify the denominator for this. You don't have to expand any of this if you don't really have to. And that would be your general solution. I know this is quite a lot of algebra for 7 marks. So if you're running out of time, you don't have to finish this entire question. In fact, if you manage to get to this line, for example, or maybe here, this guy should get you 6 out of 7 marks already. So if you're running short on time, please don't feel obliged to finish it, to completely simplify your answer like this.